Question 18. ABCD is a rhombus. The coordinates of A are 5, 11. I'm just going to put that in. It's bound to be useful in a minute. So this value is 11 and that one is 5. The equation of the diagonal DB, so here's DB, that's the diagonal, is y equals a half x plus 6. So this is y equals a half x plus 6. Find an equation of the diagonal AC. So we want to find the equation of that diagonal. The first thing we need to recognize is that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. So they meet at 90 degrees. If I call DB, the gradient of DB, M1, and the gradient of AC, M2, a fact I need to know is that M1 times M2 is minus 1. The gradients of perpendicular lines, the gradients of lines that meet at 90 degrees, always multiply to minus 1. Showing that fact picks you up the first of the 4 marks. So I know that half times the gradient I want is minus 1. Well, the opposite of multiplying is dividing, so to undo multiplying by a half, I'm going to divide by a half, and there's 2 halves in 1, so the gradient of the second line, the one I'm interested in, is minus 2. If it was 1 divided by a half, it was 2, because it's minus 1 divided by a half, it's minus 2. And I have my second mark. So I know the equation of a line is normally given as y equals mx plus c. So that m is minus 2. So I've got y equals minus 2x plus c. It's going to come up here because I'm running out of room. And I have to work out the value of c, which is the intercept, which is where this red line crosses the y-axis over up here. So it's going to be over 11. And we take the coordinate we've been given, 5, 11, and substitute it in. So instead of y, I'm going to put 11. And instead of x, I'm going to put 5. And that's going to allow me to work out c. There's my third mark. So 11 minus 2 times 5 is minus 10 plus c. I want c on its own, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So c will be 21. So my answer is y equals minus 2x plus 21. There's my fourth mark.